Hi student, today's topic is mathematical logic, chapter 1st, 12th standard. You have learned in the first lecture what is logic and type of sentences and what is the statement, and you see the example on it. Now we will see first logical connectives. Logical connectives means a logical connectives is also called a logical operator. It is a symbol or word used to connect two or more sentences in the grammatically valid way. We use logical connectives to add two sentences. Let us see some example on this. Observe the following sentences. Monsoon is very good this year and the rivers are rising. In this example, and is the first connectives. And is the first connectives. And next question, Sneha is fat or unhappy, or is second connectives. Third example, if it rains heavily, then the school will be closed. Here then will be third connectives. Question 4, a triangle is equilateral if and only if. If and only if is the fourth connectives. It uses and, or, then, and, if and only if are connectives. Next, compound statement. A compound statement is a statement which is formed by combining two or more simple statements with help of logical connectives. Now we see table of logical connectives. This is a table of logical connectives. First column is a connective, second symbol, third name of corresponding compound statement, first serial number. Connectives. First connectives and then symbol is this, and their name is conjunction. Second connectives is or, and that symbol is this, that's name is disjunction. That name is disjunction. Third connectives not, and their symbol is this, and their name is negation. Fourth connective is if then. This is a symbol of if then, and their name is conditional or implication. We call it conditional or implication. Fifth connectives, if and only if, or if. This is a symbol, and their corresponding name is biconditional or double implication. Biconditional and double implication. Then next point is conjunction. What is meant by conjunction? If P and Q are any two statements connected by the word and, then the resulting compound statement P and Q is called the conjunction of P and Q. Where is writing symbolic form as, is P and Q. This is a symbol of conjunction. This two statement, first statement is P, second statement is Q, and conjunction means and symbol is this. Symbol is this. Now first question, Let P 2 is a rational number. First question. First sentence, 2 is a rational number. And second sentence, Q 4 plus 3i is a complex number. There are two simple statements. Below line, the conjunction of the above two statements is P and Q. That is, 2 a rational number and 4 plus 3i is a complex number. Then two simple statements joining the corresponding name is AND. Joining the AND means AND. Second statement denoted by Q. So Q equal to Nagpur is in Vidarbha. Nagpur is in Vidarbha. The conjunction is P and Q. Because first statement is P and second statement is Q. So joining conjunction sign, conjunction symbol P and Q. P greater than 3 and Nagpur is in Vidarbha. Nagpur is in Vidarbha. Next, write the truth value of each of the following statement. Write the truth value of each of the following statement. Now see, Patna is capital of Bihar. Patna is capital of Bihar and 5i is an imaginary number. First sentence, Patna is capital of Bihar. It is denoted by P. And their joining conjunction sign means and symbol is this. And second statement, 5 is an imaginary number. It is denoted by Q equal to. So Patna is a capital of Bihar and 5i is an imaginary number are true. Both sub statement is true. Then truth value is T. Means P statement, first statement is true A and second is true. So T and T equal to T. T and T equal to T. Second statement, Patna is the capital of Bihar and 5i is not an imaginary number. So Patna is the capital of Bihar is true and 5i is not an imaginary number is false. Means first sentence is true and second sentence is false. So T and F equal to F. T and F equal to F. Then their truth value is capital F. Now see third question. Patna is not capital of Bihar and 5i is an imaginary number. First sentence, Patna is not capital of Bihar is false sentence. False sentence. And second statement, 5i is an imaginary number is true. So F and T equal to F. Then truth value is F. Is the answer of third question. Question number 4. Patna is not capital of Bihar and 5i is not an imaginary number. First, Patna is not capital of Bihar and 5i is not an imaginary number. Both are false sentence. Both are false sentence. Means false. First statement is false. Then their connective is conjunction. Conjunction means and second statement is 5 is not as imaginary number. It is a false. So f and f equal to f. Then their truth value is capital F. Then their truth value is capital F. Next point, dejection. If P and Q are two simple statements connected by the word or, listen carefully. Dejection means if P and Q are two simple statements connected by the word or, then the resulting compound statement P or Q. Resulting compound statement P or Q. P or Q connected by the word or. This is a sign of or. Then the resulting compound statement P or Q is called dejection. P or Q is called dejection. For example, consider the following statement. Question number first. Throwing a coin will get a head or a tail. Second question. The amount should be paid by check or by demand draft. By demand draft. In the above two statement, or is used in the sense that only one of the two possibilities exist, but not both. Listen, only one of the two possibilities exist, but not both. Next, also consider the statement. First, graduate or employee persons are eligible to apply for this post. Second, the child should be accompanied by father or mother. The father or mother. In the above statement, or is used in the sense that first or second of both possibilities exist. First and second or both possibilities exist. Hence, it is inclusive sense or. This is a or, means dejection. Or connectivity is or, means dejection. Or means dejection. So you watch again and read and understand this concept of logic. Thank you.